Hello everybody, welcome to, well, it is another episode of Making with Matt. We're going to talk about the face shield assembly. For this, you're going to need the origami style face shield, which is this clear piece of plastic. And you will need a head strap. Here is the head strap. And you will need a face. So you really don't have to do anything with this main face shield piece other than give this a little bit of a fold. Okay. And then insert these little slots. There's two on each side. And you'll see that they insert and then they slide a little bit, in this case to the right on this side. So, and what this does is it curves the face shield around. And so I will do it on the other side. Okay. And now you have these vents that are in the top. You might want to open them up. They are attached on one end, meant to come off. You could put a fold crease in them if you wanted to, or not. But that is now ready. The next part is the strap. So on the strap, you've got two arrows. I don't know if you can see that, but it's cut out. You got one there and you got one there. So what you need to do is on the inside of the face shield, it doesn't matter if this is up or down. We're going to slide this through all the way. Now here comes that arrow. And that arrow is not going to go through, or I'm sorry, is going to go through, and then pops back into this smaller little slit. Oops. So you can see here, and it slides into this slit here. And you push it until it catches. And pull it through. Okay, and that one is set up. And then you do the same thing on the other side. These pieces slide into one another. Now I have a 7 3/4 head, and I have found that like that seems to be the way to go.